I was scammed. No, not yesterday, many years ago, but anyway, I was scammed, my friends was scammed, my coworker was scammed, my very good friend, which one very long time invest in crypto, was scammed many times. So I was scammed on half of my official salary. My coworker was scammed on few of her salaries, not official. My classmate was scammed. She spent all her savings. Also, I have a good friend. He in crypto already signed. I think Bitcoin was created. Maybe it's not like that, but he looks like that, just believe me. Before today, I thought he's only one person who wasn't scammed because he know everything about crypto. But no, I just asked his today, and he lost, I think, more than 10,000. Yeah, he wrote me the table with where and how much he lost, and it's more than $10,000. That's what we will talk about today. People don't like to tell stories about how they lose money in crypto projects, so I think it's a very big mistake, because if you will share your stories like that, more people will know about it and more people will understand soon how is it to buy some crypto. Doesn't matter coins or projects, Web3, everything. Doesn't matter, most of people lose money there. Really, I didn't hear in internet like people's, no, maybe it exists, but most of the time people's like success stories, and most of bloggers who speak about crypto, they don't care about how much money their viewers lose. Some of them care, I'm sure some people are good, but you know, YouTube niche about money is more profitable. Most of bloggers don't care about scam stories. Yeah, maybe they can write some examples, but really they don't understand how. Okay, can you name me a few projects which you really believe and they still exist and they still work and you didn't lose money? It will be good if you name me something, because really I don't know no one. About 3 years I already not interested in new projects like games, some projects which change world, because world not changing. I try to believe in this. About 5 years I tried to trade, I tried to buy something, but okay, I think my income totally about zero in this crypto project, because I was a little bit success in this, but just a little bit because of exchange rate, only that, and about crisis. What I want to tell you, just share your stories. You can write in comments your stories, your projects, but please without names, just general description of this project. So I want to start with stories about me, and I think the better to start from time when I just know about Bitcoin, when its price was about $900, and I was write some article on my website about it. It wasn't something good, but I was writing there, buy it, but I didn't believe in this. Okay, now it's already not $900 anyway. So yeah, but after I still was student, and when I was student, there was not easy time for me. I was needed to go to work, and I was working as pharmacist, and at that day some promoter was coming to me, and we start talk about pharmacies, about new pharmacies, about they just try advertise it, but I asked some questions which was more important for me to understand how does the medicine work and other questions, because yeah, I was really interested in this before already. How much? More than 5 years I'm already not pharmacist, I'm software developer. And she just started talk with me about crypto. And she asked me, do you know about Bitcoin? I said, of course I know about Bitcoin. Who know about Bitcoin? I think it was already summer 2020, yes, summer 2020. And you know what was happened in December 2020? If you don't know, I will tell you after. My first scam it's not scam, it's more about how I lose money firstly. in crypto. So we was talking about with her about Bitcoin, how it's became popular, some projects, and she said me, oh, you just need to subscribe on few Telegram channels. They're very interesting news about crypto and ATC. And I said, okay. So before I just read news, just some articles in internet about Bitcoin, but I didn't really monitor Bitcoin. But I said, okay, because you know, it was time when already many people was talking about crypto, and I thought maybe it's not just talk, and I told her, okay. Also, it was the time when I just started to use Telegram, because before I didn't use it. So what was happened? I thought, okay, I will put part of my salary and will try to trade a little bit. And what happened? It was so stressful for me because I was student. It wasn't my... no, it's already was full-time job. I start monitor cryptocurrency exchanges. I tried to trade by sometimes Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Ripple, Monero. Yeah, it was most popular at that time. And I just tried to trade, I think about 1 month. I tried to trade. I stop loss, stop win, I already forgot about it. So it was interesting, it was stressful. I lost about 50% of what I put. I just thought a little bit and say myself, okay, stop, don't do it. It's too stressful. Maybe it can be interesting if you don't have a job and you have time for this. But I have my job and I spend time of my job for this, and I thought, okay, no, not now, just buy some Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. I think about 50% it was Bitcoin, 30 Ethereum, 20 Litecoin. So okay, it was my first experience. Second experience was already in Telegram channels. I was subscribed on them. I already don't remember how I met it first time, but it was like a game. Generally, you need to transfer money, Bitcoins, on some crypto wallet. After that, you will get some part of tokens. You can spend these tokens to buy dinosaurs. And I very like it because dinosaurs was very cool. Firstly, they use some smiles, but after they start to use really good drawn pictures. And I thought, okay, I can buy these few very cheap dinosaurs. I will just try to do it. Firstly, no. Firstly, it was free. I remember who did it. I will tell you later who sent it to me first. So, firstly, it was free. But, you know, I understood that after some time that if you are free, you cannot withdraw money from there, because you need to put something to get special tokens, super tokens, which you can change to, it's like ticket to withdraw. And of course there was some exchange rate, how much you need to spend super tokens to withdraw some real tokens. And I remember on some time again, 50% I was withdraw, or no, wait, I confused with time when I trade. So no, I lose all. It wasn't so much. I think, yeah, I told you about that it was half of my official salary, but my official salary was 2 or sometimes 3, sometimes 4 times less than my real salary, because yeah, it was like some minimum, but usually I didn't get minimum, I was average or maximum. Yeah, firstly, to get these coins, I spent about $100, so it was tangible for me. But I should say one secret which helped me. So I already know before invest there, invest just to lose money. I already know that I will buy some tokens and I will not put more in case if I will get back what I want. So I was planning to get back about $500. What was happened? One time I understood that, yeah, I already have balance more than 10,000 bitcoins. More than 10,000 bitcoins. I was count before how I will use these dinosaurs and how much I will get. But when I understood that I have now, you know what happened? I understood that I don't have now super coins because they little bit change rules, and what I should do. I need to invite more friends, and I understood, yeah, it's just scam. I will not spend my time for this more. Bye-bye, $100. Second scam, I will name it, it's Markspace. So they was talking about new technology, it's like decentralized rendering of 3D world or something like that. You can play there and use. They have some white paper, but I really didn't understand what does it mean. It was like about digital 3D worlds. What was happened with it? It's scam. How it was. So I already was working as software developer. My coworkers, especially my boss, was very positive thinking about crypto, bitcoins. One of them, my coworker, was he still hope that Ripple will fly to the moon because he really believed in this, but I don't know what he think about it now. Other guy just it was my boss. Already at that time I think he had some crypto portfolio. Yeah, only today I asked him, did you lose money in crypto? He answered yes, and I didn't know that he lost so much. So yeah, I bought few tokens for Markspace. Yeah, I remember I bought Ethereum, exchanged to Markspace coins. One time they said, oh, you accidentally need to transfer your coins from one wallet to another. It was on official website. They sent me many notification. After a few months, they just disappeared, stopped talking, and I found that one co-founder, or it was CEO, I don't remember. He already was with big beard, not very good looking, and he started advertise some racing crypto project games. After that, I stopped believe in this. It's not big experience, and I didn't found my lucky coin. I didn't found my game. Don't believe in this. It's money. I just should tell you. Every time when I bought some tokens, I was ready to lose it. So it wasn't for me something very bad what was happened. I was ready to lose it. And as I know, most of crypto investors, they really ready for lose it. But sometimes they don't understand that they already used to lose. I stopped it. About my coworker, it was one Ponzi scam, and she spent about $3,000. It was in 2021, I think. It was her money and her boyfriend money. Nothing something interesting, just Ponzi scam. Second, my classmate. It was another Ponzi scam, and she spent all her savings for that. And why I just thought that it was crypto, because I remember 100% this guy who made it physical, he created Ponzi scheme, very famous, after they did it in crypto, but it wasn't in smart contract, they do it manually, only on believing, and it was working, as I know, but I don't know what's right now with it. And he just wanted to devalue money in the whole world. But if you have money in your pocket right now, so he wasn't success. And his idea still not success. Okay, and now about my friend, which was my boss before. I know him like about guy who every time know what is on hype, who every time know which new project, crypto projects creator or AI projects created. And I thought he was successful because I never asked him about scams and he never complained, so I thought he success in crypto. But today I just wrote him question, did you lose money on scam? And he said, yeah, it was some Web3 project. I asked it, can you call me, what was it? And he wrote me about 5 or 7 of them. 30% of this, it was Luna. One time, the price of Luna became 0. About 30 projects, it was different games, like crypto games, which I was talking about. Most of them already don't exist. 30% was different crypto projects with staking and other things which you hope it will grow or something like that. But no, he lose money. And what he sent, it was about $10,000. If you thought I'm a good guy who will not create these bad projects, I will create it and I will tell about this project to you. But anyway, I will try to create some projects to demonstrate you how is it. So if you have some ideas from which projects I should start, or you have some stories of your how you was scammed, you can write it in comments. It will be interesting for other peoples, and of course it will be interesting for me to know which ideas you have and you want that someone will write it. I cannot write AAA projects like AAA games. I can write something, especially I didn't write some smart contract before, only like, hello worlds, but few of them I read. So today we was talking about how I was scammed, how my friends was scammed. Remember that my stories remember stories of your friends, and try to stop invest so much in crypto. If you still invest in crypto too much, watch this video. If you already want to stop to invest in this but you don't know why it's still happening and you need some tips, watch this video. I just want to remind you that in description you can find many different links to other social networks, maybe for my website. There you can find different additional materials. Be free to visit it. I hope it will be useful for you. Just to remind you, I do it for two reasons. First reason, that I'm afraid that tomorrow AI will do all job and we lose all our job and we will die, and in YouTube will be some videos which can helpful construct some construction like my digital copy. It's first. Second one, also I hope that people stop investing in crypto too much, or they start do it with thing before, and they should know when they will stop to do it, especially for some goal. It shouldn't be like reaction or something like that. It's no emotions, it's money world. That's all what I wanted to tell you. Bye bye. It was DigitalScyther, your guide to digital world. Bye bye.